children, welcome to another session of learning. My name is Miss Lachi. Today we are learning fractions, but comparing and ordering fractions. Remember the last lesson we learned what a fraction is? Can you say what a fraction is? Yes. If you say that a fraction is a part of a whole, you are correct. And there are different fractions, remember? Can you mention some of them? Yes, we have 1 over 2, 3 over 4, 2 over 3, and so on. Now, did you know that 1 over 2 is greater than 1 over 3? 1 over 5 is less than 1 over 3. 2 over 5 is less than 1 over 2. What did you notice in the trend? The bigger the denominator, the lesser the value. The bigger the denominator, the lesser the value. Now let's move on to ordering fractions. When you need to order fractions, you need to arrange them either from ascending order to descending order, or from descending order to ascending order. Now, have you been on a staircase before? When you climb on a staircase, you are ascending from smallest to the biggest. And when you are coming down the stairs, you are descending from the biggest to the smallest. Let's take an example. If I have this set of fractions, 1, 4 over 5, 1 over 5, and 2 over 5, how do I arrange these fractions from the smallest to the biggest? Now, we know that all of these fractions I just mentioned have one kind of denominator. They have 5. So their denominators are uniform. Hence, you focus on the numerator when you need to arrange. So looking at the numerator, we have 1. So 1 should come first, which is 1 over 5, followed by 2 over 5, followed by 4 over 5, and 1. Remember I said that 1 can be seen as a numerator dividing the same value as the denominator. So 1 here is 5 over 5. Another example. If we have 2 whole number, 1 over 3, or 2 1/3, and we have 1 whole number, 3 over 5, and 4 over 5. We are to arrange them from the biggest to the smallest. Here is how it should go. 2 whole number, 1 over 3 would come first because 2 has a bigger value, followed by 1 whole number, 3 over 5, because 1 is a whole number and attached to a fraction, yet another big value. The least will be 4 over 5. Your turn. Arrange these sets of fractions from the smallest to the biggest. 4 over 8, 1 over 8, 2 over 8, and 6 over 8. 4 over 8, 1 over 8, 2 over 8, and 6 over 8. If your answer goes thus, you are correct. 1 over 8, 2 over 8, 4 over 8, and 6 over 8. Well done. The last question. Arrange these sets of numbers from the biggest to the smallest. 2 whole number 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 2 over 3, and 1. 2 whole number 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 2 over 3, and 1. If your answer goes thus, you are correct. 2 whole number 1 over 3, 1, 2 over 3, 1 over 3. I hope you've enjoyed today's lessons and you have gained something important from this class. Until next time, bye.